In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Confluence in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and highly beneficial if you're looking to enhance collaboration within your team by bridging the gap between project management and content creation. Now, let's get started and walk through the setup step by step. First, head over to the Jira website. Once you're there, you will need to sign in. On the home page, simply click on the Google option. This will allow you to sign in using your Google account, which makes the process quick and seamless. If you're not already signed in, you will be prompted to enter your Google credentials. Just follow the instructions and you'll be logged in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a panel on the left side of the screen. From here, head straight to the section labeled Apps. This is where you'll start to integrate Jira with Confluence. Clicking on Apps will take you into a variety of tools and add-ons that can enhance your Jira experience. Next, you'll see an option that says Explore More Apps. Click on it. This will open up the marketplace where you can find a plethora of applications designed to integrate with Jira. It's a versatile section that offers many opportunities for enhancing the Jira platform. In the marketplace, you'll find a search bar. Here, type in Confluence to Jira. This will help you locate the specific integration tool we need. By doing this, you are narrowing down the options to find the exact app that facilitates the integration between your Jira and Confluence accounts. Once you have typed in Confluence to Jira, focus your attention on the search results. Look for the Atlassian command line interface. This is the tool we're going to use for our integration. Click on it to proceed to the installation page. As you land on the installation page, you will see an option to try it free. Go ahead and click on this. It's a convenient feature that lets you test the app without any initial commitment. During this installation process, if prompted, make sure to provide your login credentials. This ensures that the app is correctly linked to your Jira account and ready to facilitate communication with Confluence. And there you have it. With all these steps completed, you have successfully integrated Jira with Confluence. This connection makes it much easier to keep track of project updates and documentation seamlessly. By having these two powerful tools working together, your team can enjoy better productivity and efficient management of projects and content. If at any point you have questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to consult the support resources available from both Jira and Confluence. Thanks for watching and happy integrating!